How to fix language bar missing from taskbar in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can fix language bar missing from taskbar in Windows. Now before I teach you guys the fix for it, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's begin. So if your language bar is missing from your taskbar, what you'll have to do is you will have to just open up your settings first. So search for settings and open it up. After you're on your settings, you will then need to head over to time and languages. So head over here. And after you're here, you'll need to head over to typing. Tap on typing. And after you're here, scroll down and you should find advanced keyboard settings. Tap on that. If you don't find it here, you might find it under related settings. So just tap on it. And after you do that, you can then simply choose your language. So if you just tap on this and select your English language, whichever you want, or even your native language. After you've done that, here you can just tap on use the desktop language bar when it's available. You can also see language bar option. If you tap on this directly, you'll find this pop-up. On this pop-up, you'll need to enable show the language bar as transparent when inactive and also show additional language bar icons in taskbar. So if this is enabled, you can just disable it because sometimes the inactivity will make it transparent and you won't be able to see it. So just enable this, and also for the language bar, you can enable floating on desktop. So apply this and tap on OK. And doing that will fix your problem. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.